Okay, so this is from the CS2N curriculum. The first loop lesson is a repeat loop. So let's just quickly take a look at this code. Pretty simple. You just say repeat, and then the number of times you want to repeat something, you enter the number there, and then whatever is inside the brackets, that's what it's going to do. So this is useful for any kind of basic behavior that you just want to do again and again and again. And for a certain number of times. So anyway, notice, by the way, that's pretty much all you need to know. In this case, we're driving forward for 100 millimeters at 30% velocity. Then, after that forward movement, we turn right 90 degrees at 25% of power. Notice, by the way, we have the red drivetrain. Why? Because we didn't go up into our configuration panel and add it yet. So make sure you do that. Drivetrain, pick your left motor, pick your right motor. Right now we're not using a gyro or an inertial sensor, so say OK, and notice that it went away. So we're good to go. That's pretty much it. Very easy.